Hi everyone, this is Matthew again. Let's just place one trade there. Let me wait for this thing to drop down. It has dropped down there, so let's wait for the outcome of that trade before we proceed with this strategy. Today is 1st of April 2021. So as you can see, we won that trade right there. So I'm going to explain to you what this strategy is all about, and we are using the webtrader as webtrader.binary.com. And before we proceed, for those who haven't purchased the TOUCHSCALPER bots, the version 5.2 is still very effective. It's very effective, and here are some of the results today, 1st of April 2021. All you need to do is to visit www.touchscalper.citywide.technologies.com.ng to purchase the boats. It's just 9.99 USD, and you can make payments using Bitcoin, web money, perfect money, bank transfer, and a debit card. Just visit the website to purchase the boats. Here are some of the results on deriv as well today, 1st of April 2021. You can see right there, and the PIPSREAPER boats as well. Make sure you purchase both boats. We updated the PIPSREAPER boat today, 1st of April 2021, and we'll send the update to all those who have previously purchased the boats. So make sure you purchase the boats. It's just 7.99 USD. Just visit www.binary.pipsreaper.citywide.technologies.com.ng to order the boats. Just 7.99 USD. And don't forget to subscribe to all our channels for more upcoming strategy. Just subscribe to all our channels. Here are the links again. This is the link to purchase the PIPSREAPER boats. Right here, we're going to paste all this in the video description on YouTube. This is the link to purchase the TOUCHSCALPER boats, www.touchscalper.citywide.technologies.com.ng. And for those who don't have a trading account, use this link in the video description on YouTube to sign up for a free trading account to test our strategies on demo before you go live. And here are the links to subscribe to our channels. This is our first channel and this is our second channel. Just subscribe to all our channels. So let's get back to the trading. I'm using the webtrader, and this strategy is much more effective on the webtrader platform. So just use the webtrader anytime you are using this strategy. So I've logged in. So once you log into the webtrader, you go to the trade and you open synthetic index volatility 10 index, which is here. Then you go to touch no touch. You click on touch no touch, then you select no touch. You set the durations to 5 ticks, then the barrier offset you set it to plus 0.408. then you enter your payout. You enter the amount you are willing to stake. You open the chart as well. You go to charts, synthetic indices volatility 10 index, then you set the time interval to 1 tick. Then you drag this thing very close. It will be here. Once you first open the chart, you have to drag it very close for you to be able to see this line movement. So once this thing drops down, once the line drops down, you can see it's down there. I clicked on purchase. That's our second trade. We placed one trade already. As stated earlier, this strategy is much more effective on the webtrader, so make sure you use the webtrader.binary.com. So you can see we won that trade. If I scale up again to 18, let's see what to be able to make right there. So let's wait for this thing to drop down. Once it's down, you can see it's down again. I click on purchase. So that's our third trade. You can see we won that trade. So let's scale up again to 67. Let's wait for, once it drops down, we're going to be clicking on purchase. Okay, it's down there. Okay, you can see we won that trade again. Let's scale up to 79. Let's see. Once this thing drops down, it must not be up, it has to be down before you click on purchase. Okay, you have to wait for it to drop down. You can see it has dropped down there, so I click on purchase right there. Okay, so we want that trade. Let's place one more trade again. Let's play up to 89. So we'll have made roughly 38 bucks. Okay, that's going to be our last trade. After this, we proceed to another strategy. So as you can see, we won all the trades. We've made roughly 40 USD just in about few seconds. So you can go on and on and on. Make sure you watch the chart carefully and before using the strategy, and make sure you use the strategy on WebTrader. Thanks for watching. Bye.